Oh, fudge. Wrong way. I'm cutting this piece. Ah. Oh, it's a sticker on the back. Oh, this ice cream. Thanks.
Yeah, that's not funky.
Oh. Look at Eli. If you touch that. Bring it. Hey guys, so today I am going to give making my own fly screens a go. I mentioned in a recent video that I was going to get somebody in, and everybody assured me it's actually really easy and that I could do it myself. So this is the PVC spline here. I've got 13 meters of it. It's 5mm thick. The spline roller, the miter box, which you can see you sit the frame inside of. These fly screen corners here, and my, what do we call this? Netting, mesh. So I chose one that's called Extra Visibility, Insect Guard, and I've got a couple of rolls of this to cut down to size. Oh, and I also bought these fly screen swivel clips that I'm not sure if I'm going to need them or not to secure these fly screens to the outside of the building, but they were super cheap, a couple of dollars I think, so I just got some anyway. We're going to use the miter box to cut 45-degree angles, and you can see here in the frame this indent along the edge is where your spline's going to go, and that is the edge that you want to face to the inside. You're going to have mesh here and then spline, and then this is the outer edge. So I've got the miter box here and I've measured my piece to length, and you can see here I can put one end of the hacksaw through here on an angle, on a 45-degree angle, and it's actually going to cut me a nice corner edge for the box. I'm left-handed, so that means I always have to do things back to front. Perfect. It gives you this nice join here. Okay, so that's our first piece done, and I need to make another piece that's opposite for the other side, same length but opposite angled cuts. So to give you an example of what I mean, this is the piece that I've just cut here. I would not be able to use this piece as the opposite side because it's cut in the wrong direction. Don't worry about sawing or cutting into this miter box. Like I said before, it's super cheap, a couple of dollars, so I expect that this miter box is going to be completely mangled at the end of this. So one thing I find is helpful is once you've measured the length that you need, is to actually just roughly give yourself the direction that you want to cut with the miter box. This is the mark we're concerned about for length, but if I simply have this length mark, I put it in my miter box and I start cutting in the wrong direction, it's not great. Okay, so now I've got my 4 pieces cut out and I have a pack of these fly screen corners. I'm going to join them together and then cut out the mesh to size. These just slot in here. I don't know if there's a front or a back. We'll soon find out. Well, that was pretty simple. So now I'm just going to go around and trim off any excess using my Stanley knife. there you go. One fly screen. All done. One down, 2 to go. It looks so much nicer than the old ones. Now that baby's not asleep, I'll show you how gross the old ones were. Where is it? Look at it. This one's not the one I've just remade, it's a lot larger. But you can see what poor condition it was in. So, yeah. So there you have it, the old fly screen and the new one. It looks so much nicer. These were obviously super old and mangled, and the new framing is just crisp, clean, and nice. So now we have to install them.